Hold on, you've got to see this.
So it's not unusual. We have measles outbreaks every year.
So that's RFK at a cabinet meeting with the president, asked about should we be concerned about this measles outbreak in Texas. And basically RFK says, happens all the time. By comparison, we had an outbreak last year. Well, here are the facts. 2 people have died from the measles. We have 124 cases of the measles in Texas. We had 285 cases of the measles last year. No one died from it. That was for the whole year. We're just in January. And what's more, 25 years ago, CDC said measles was gone in America. So we are seeing measles escalate in this country, and it's beginning to kill people. But RFK says no big deal. Now, not a surprise coming from RFK, this vaccine skeptic, because you might remember in 2019, there was a measles outbreak in Samoa. Well, that was fueled by RFK and his so-called healthcare organization, essentially dumping on the measles vaccine to really spark this outbreak in Samoa. And now we're seeing an outbreak here. We're seeing this get worse when this had been eliminated. But hey, RFK says no big deal. That's wrong. That's dangerous. In the same cabinet meeting, we heard Elon Musk joking about how they'd fired people working to stop the spread of Ebola.
So, for example, with USAID, one of the things we accidentally canceled very briefly was Ebola prevention.
Great joke, Elon. They also fired people working on bird flu. But don't worry, they rehired them, at least those that they could rehire. This is what's going on in the federal government while they're cutting all these programs. They're cutting healthcare. They're cutting funding for research at the CDC and analyzation of the spread of disease. Why? Because they need money for the tax cut. The House just passed a resolution. They want $4.5 trillion in tax cuts. This is how they want to pay for it, by going after your health care.